Hello everyone and welcome to another Math tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 4 Additional Mathematics, Chapter 10 Index Numbers, HOTS question example 5. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. The following table shows the price indices of three types of materials A, B and C needed to produce a wallet. So as you can see here, this is the first column consists of the material, okay, and the second column is the price index for the year 2018 based on the year 2016. For the third column, it is the price index for the year 2020 based on the year 2016. Okay, so let us continue to read the question. Find the price index of material A for the year 2020 based on the year 2018. For the question part B, the price of material B in the year 2016 is 6 ringgit 50 cent and its price in the year 2020 is 9 ringgit. So the question asks to find the value of M and the price of material B in the year 2018. For the question part C, the composite index of the production cost of a wallet for the year 2018 based on the year 2016 is 119.5. The cost of the materials A, B and C used are in the ratio 3:2:5. If the price of a wallet in the year 2018 is 95 ringgit 60 cent, find the value of N and the corresponding price of a wallet in the year 2016. So this is the overall question. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, a big thumbs up to you guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solution. So without further delay, let us start to solve the question. Let us begin our discussion for the question part A. Okay, for the question part A, it is emphasizing the material A. So let me just circle this. Okay, within this material A, we are required to find the price index for the year 2020 based on the year 2018. Okay, but before that, let us write down all the relevant information reference to the material A. So let us begin our working now. Okay, so given that price index of the year 2018 based on the year 2016 is given as 125. Okay, let me underline the fraction. Okay, and then continue. And the second information, the price index of the year 2020 based on the year 2016, okay, is given as 150. Okay, so let me underline the fraction. So from here, the question asks us to find price index of the year 2020 based on the year 2018. So this is the one that we are going to find now. Okay, let me underline this. Okay, so this question is actually involving the three types of price index. I mean three different price index, guys. Okay, so we have encountered this type of questions several times. Okay, and even in the previous example, we have dealt with this type of question. So no worries, we can solve this. Okay, so the working will be price index of the year 2020 based on the year 2016, okay, will be equals to price index of the year 2020 based on the year 2018, okay, and then you times with price index of the year 2018 based on the year 2016 and you divide with 100. Okay, so this will be your working, and let me underline the fraction line over here. Okay, for the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to substitute all the relative values into this working here. Okay, so price index of the year 2020 based on the year 2016, okay, will be 150. Okay, and then this is the price index we are going to look for. So we just copy paste this. Okay, and then times with price index of the year 2018 based on the year 2016, which in this case is 125. Okay, and you divide with 100. So let me underline the fraction line. Okay, so from here, to find the price index of the year 2020 based on the year 2018, okay, so this will be your working. So from here, 150 you times with 100, 150 you times with 100, and you divide with 125. Okay, so let me underline the fraction line. Okay, so you calculate this, you should get your price index in the year 2020 based on the year 2018 is 120. Okay, so this is your answer for the question part A. So let me underline the solution. Okay, so from here let us proceed our discussion for the question part B, where we require to find the value of M. So within this question part B is fully involving the material B, guys. Okay, so let me circle the material B. Okay, and before that let me erase the material A and circle the material B now. Okay, so from here they mentioned that the price of material B in the year 2016, okay, is 6 ringgit 50 cent, and its price in the year 2020 is 9 ringgit. So we are required to find the value of M. So it is very straightforward. We can straight away apply the price index formula. Okay, so from here for the material B, okay, so from here M will be equals to 9 ringgit, okay, and you divide with 6 ringgit 50 cent, you have to times with 100. So this will be a working. So let me underline this. So you calculate this, you should get your M value is equals to 138.46. So this is your answer for the question B part 1. So let me underline this. Okay, so we have already successfully find the value of M, okay, based on the price index of the year 2020 based on the year 2016. Okay, for the question B part 2, we are required to find the price of material B in the year 2018. Okay, so in the year 2018, we are still referring the 2016 as the base year, guys. Okay, the only difference for the question B part 2, now we are referring to 2018. Okay, so I hope you guys are clear now. So from here, proceed our discussion to the question B part 2. So we are still under the material B. Okay, so price index. To calculate the price index, we're going to apply the formula price in the year 2018. Okay, and you divide with 6 ringgit 50 cent. Okay, which in this case, this 6 ringgit 50 cent is representing the year 2016. Okay, and you times with 100. You should get your price index is 120. Okay, so if you don't believe me, so this is your 120. Okay, so let me underline the fraction line. Okay, so from here to find the price in the year 2018, so from here 120 times with 6 ringgit 50 cent, okay, and you divide with 100. Okay, so let me underline the fraction. Okay, you calculate this, you should get your price in the year 2018 is equals to 7 ringgit 80 cent. Okay, so this is your answer for the question B part 2. So let me underline the solution. Okay, so from here let us proceed our discussion for the question part C. Okay, for the question part C we are required to find the value of n. And important information given by the question is the composite index of the production cost of a wallet for the year 2018 based on the year 2016. Okay, now it is already mentioned clear, guys. Okay, they are mentioning the composite index of the year 2018 based on the year 2016, which they already mentioned here is 119.5. okay, and all the weightage they already give here in terms of ratio form, okay, which is 3:2:5. Okay, all information is available. Your composite index is available, your weightage is available. The only thing which is left is the value of n. One of the price index value is missing. Okay, so this is the problem of the question C part 1. So from here, to solve the question C part 1, we are still going to apply the composite index formula, and by using the composite index formula we should able to find the value of n. Okay, so let us begin our discussion for the question C part 1. Okay, so let me write down the important information based on the question. Okay, they mentioned that composite index of the year 2018 based on the year 2016 is equals to 119.5. Okay, so let me outline the fraction. Okay, so from here to solve this question we're going to apply the composite index formula. So let us substitute our value one by one. Okay, with material A, material B and material C respectively. Okay, so from here let us begin with the material A. So with the price index 125 and the weightage is 3. Okay, plus with the price index of the material B 120. Okay, and times with the weightage 2. Okay, the price index of material C is unknown, so we write here n. Okay, the weightage is given here is 5. Okay, so from here you divide with the summation of the weightages. So in this case the weightage is 3, 2 and 5, so you plus them all. So from here you get here is 10. Okay, so you calculate this, you should get your composite index is 119.5. Okay, so let us solve them. So from here let us start to solve the numerator. Okay, sum them up. So from here you get 615 plus with 5n over 10 equals to 119.5. Okay, let me underline the fraction. Okay, so from here for the next step, this 10 we're going to times with 119.5. So from here you get 615 plus with 5n will be equals to 1195. Okay, so from here this 615 from the left hand side we're going to move it to the right hand side. So you calculate this. So from here you should get 5n is equals to 580. So to calculate the n, what you do, 580 you divide with 5. So from here you should get your n is equals to 116. Okay, so this is your answer for the question C part 1. So let me underline the solution. Okay, so from here let us proceed our discussion for the question C part 2. Okay, for the question C part 2 we are required to find the corresponding price of a wallet in the year 2016. Okay, we are still referring to the composite index of the year 2018 based on the year 2016. So now we need to find the corresponding price of a wallet in the year 2016 if the price wallet in the year 2018 is 95 ringgit 60 cent. Okay, so this information is very important to solve for the question C part 2. Okay, so since we already have the composite index, which in this case is 119.5, okay, so we're going to use this value as well. Okay, so from here let us continue to solve the question C part 2. Okay, so from here 95 ringgit 60 cent, okay, and you divide with the price of a wallet in the year 2016, okay, and you times with 100, you should get your composite index is equals to 119.5. Let me underline the fraction. Okay, just want to make you clear, guys, this working is not for one material but for one complete wallet. Okay, so from here let us continue. So to find the price of wallet in the year 2016 will be equals to 95 ringgit 60 cent. Okay, you times with 100 and you divide with 119.5. Okay, so let me underline the fraction. Okay, you calculate this, you should get your price of wallet in the year 2016 is equals to 80 ringgit. So this is your answer for the question C part 2. Okay, so let me outline the solution for the question C part 2. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future, and not to forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.